In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the job search platform, Indeed, and provide essential tips on identifying potential scam job postings. Whether you're a seasoned job seeker or just starting out, understanding how to effectively use online job boards and protect yourself from fraudulent listings is key in your employment hunt. The first thing you need to do is head over to the Indeed website. Indeed is one of the most renowned job search platforms globally, boasting thousands of new listings daily for a myriad of industries and professions. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and typing Indeed into the search bar. Once you're on the site, you can use its search options to tailor your job hunt to match your skills, interests, and desired locations. Now that you're on Indeed and have potentially found some intriguing job listings, let's move on to how you can identify scam job posts. This is crucial, as the convenience of online applications sometimes comes with the downside of scam attempts posing as legitimate opportunities. There are a few red flags that tend to pop up in fraudulent listings. First, be wary of unsolicited offers that you might receive via email, especially those you didn't apply for directly. Scammers often use email to prey on unsuspecting job seekers by offering enticing roles you didn't inquire about. Another significant red flag is a request for personal information or upfront payments. Legitimate companies will never ask you for sensitive personal details such as your social security number during the initial stages of the hiring process, nor will they request any payment or fees for training or equipment. You should also be skeptical of job postings offering suspiciously high salaries for roles with minimal responsibilities or experience required. If it seems too good to be true, it often is. Scammers use this tactic to lure victims by promising greater financial reward than is reasonable for the work described. In addition, pay close attention to the job description. Scam postings often have vague or generic job roles and are usually missing critical details about the company or the position itself. A legitimate listing will provide specific information about the responsibilities, qualifications required, and company background. Last but not least, watch out for poor grammar and unprofessional formatting. Most reputable companies ensure their job listings are polished and professional, so errors could indicate a potentially fraudulent post. With these tips in mind, you can confidently conduct your job search on Indeed while staying alert for scams. Remember, taking the time to scrutinize job postings will save you a lot of hassle and keep your job hunt safe and efficient. Good luck on your career journey, and thank you for watching.